So apparently you like unboxing and unraveling and unpacking sort of videos. So here's my first. That jingle's short, isn't it? All right. Oh, it's even got Chinese on it. Chut yao lei gui. There's the box. Hi, there's the box. There's the box. Here we go. Okay. More plugs. It is a chut yao lei gui. Yes, it is. That fit. No, it doesn't fit. No. North Europe Appliance, Shanghai Company Limited. I didn't know Shanghai was in Europe. My geography is very wrong. Okay. Steamer. Warning sticker, not in English. It may get hot. Oh, hold on. Wait.
Come on, honey. Come on, darling.
There we go. Oh, that's so cute. There's a little control. Ah, not bad. And it's all set up for China or Australia. This is Australian first, you know. And the best part about this little gizmo is since it's for travel purposes, you can see that you can switch between 220 volt to 240 volt and 120 volt to 100 volts, the other way around. So North American and Japanese plugs, almost everyone else. Perfect. And I can happily tell you from Cambodia that this portable travel cooker boils water well. The built-in spout works well with the lid on. It also heats soup. You have to be careful with hot liquids though, due to the flexible, collapsible silicone. It boils pasta very well. And instant rice doesn't stick when it simmers. On slow setting, hard-boiled eggs cook well, good temperature control. There's even an auto shutoff if the element gets too hot. Like when you're burning your soup. And it's portable. But you need both hands. You can find this cooker for $66 on Amazon under this ridiculous name. I'm Phil. Thanks for joining me.